What is an improper fraction? So it's a fraction where the numerator is equal to or greater than the denominator. Using this, you should be able to read that and write an example. So try that, and I'll also do that. So what's an example where the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator? Okay, we have a numerator, which is 5, and we have a denominator, which is 5, and the numerator is equal to the denominator. And in this case, when we have when the numerator and the denominator are the same, we can say that's equal to 1. Okay, this is pretty much the same thing as saying 5 divided by 5 is equal to 1. Okay, now let's do another fraction where it's greater than the denominator. So let's say I have 6 over 5. This is the numerator is greater than the denominator, and we have to figure out 6 divided by 5 is what? Well, you can't do that. I mean, you don't want to do that in your head. So what you can ask yourself is, how many times does the 5 go into 6? Because we can see that the numerator is bigger, right? And because the numerator is bigger, you want to ask yourself, how many times can the 5 go into 6? One time. And what is the remainder? What is the remainder? Well, the remainder is 5 can go into 6 one time. And what do you have to add to get to 6? 5 times 1 is 5, plus what gives you 6? Plus 1. And that goes up there. And then you just carry over the denominator. Okay, and that is what that's what the improper fraction looks like. We're going to learn more about visualizing this and seeing that it's equal, and this is just a first step. So the first thing you want to do is check how many times can the bottom number go into the numerator, and then what's left over. If I know 5 goes into 6 one time, because 5 times 1 is 5, how much more do I have to add to get to 6? Just 1, right? That'll just be the 1 here over the 5.